In an interview, Attorney Kaufman was asked if he has a message for you, and he said, if she wants to invite me to Manila, I'd be happy to come in and discuss the interim release of Duterte. What's your response?
First of all, I'm not inviting him. If ever, everybody is welcome to see the beauty of our country. Welcome man. Lahat ng turista, pati pamilya, kasama yan. And if he will be coming to the Philippines, I am more than happy to treat him. Buy him balut, bagoong, kwek-kwek, ayudi, Adidas. But I will not discuss about the interim release because it has already been resolved by the ICC. So pag-uusapan lang namin ang ganda ng Palawan, El Nido, Manila Zoo, lahat po yan. Yun lang po.